How to add users in Google Analytics. Okay, first of all, you need to, of course, with your Gmail account, okay, to enter this URL, okay, Analytics Google, or you can search Google Analytics in Google, search one, and enter a new account. When you enter a new account, you will need to click on that wheel here, that icon, admin, and you will find 1, 2, and 3 columns. In the first column, we have account access management. We click on it, and from here, okay, we can add new users. So when you add a new user, this is very important that you choose the right one. In this case, in our case, you will give me access in administrator. Okay, I will keep this video also to add it. I will add this video on YouTube, like that. Maybe it can help other person also to connect. Okay, to add users to the Google Analytics accounts. Yep. This is the first one. Have a good day.